Every single day, thousands of new books are uploaded to Amazon KDP. Most of them flop. But here's the secret. Winning authors don't guess which ideas will sell. They test them. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to spot a winning book idea in under 2 minutes. So you never waste time writing a book nobody wants. That sounds good? Smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part 1. Why most authors get it wrong. Most authors come up with an idea that they like and assume that the reader will like it too. That's a fast track to failure. Readers don't care what you think is interesting. They care about what they are searching for. That's why the best authors don't start with a blank page. They start with proof. Proof that people are already looking for the book that they're about to create. All right, you ready? Part 2, the 2-minute test. So here's how to spot a winning book idea in under 2 minutes. Step 1, go to Amazon and type in your potential book idea as a keyword. For example, if you're thinking about writing a book on intermittent fasting, type it in. Step 2, look at the top 10 books that show up. Are they ranked well? If their bestseller rank, aka BSR, is under 100,000, it means they're selling at least a few copies a day. That's good. It means there's demand. Now, step 3, check the reviews. Are there hundreds or even thousands? That tells you this is an established market. But here's the key. Scroll down and look for gaps. What aren't these books covering? Maybe the covers look outdated. Maybe they're all too technical and nobody is speaking to beginners. Maybe there's no book that ties the concept to a specific audience. That gap is where you come in. That's your winning idea. All right, finally, part 3, let's do a real example. Here's a simple example. A few years ago, I spotted that all the books on intermittent fasting were super science heavy. The top books were selling like crazy, but most beginners felt overwhelmed. So I thought, what if I create a book that explained intermittent fasting in plain English? Simple, easy steps, no crazy jargon. That angle was the gap. And books like that have gone on to sell incredibly well. It took me only 2 minutes of research to see that opportunity. So that's it. Spotting a winning book idea doesn't take weeks of brainstorming. It takes just 2 minutes of smart research. Look for proof of demand, then find the gap. That's how you go from guessing to winning. And if you want my full system, the exact prompts, templates, and launch strategies that I use to take a winning idea and turn that into a book that actually sells, I've laid it all out step by step inside my course. The link is below. Start using this 2-minute test today, and you'll never waste time on a bad idea ever again. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.